Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage users in Odoo. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our settings application and it will pop up this window, and the first thing we're going to do is manage users. Here we have the list of all of the users that we have and their latest authentication, the company they're in, and their status. So in this case what we're going to do is we're going to create a new user. We're going to give it a name, their email address, and here we have the user types. We can select if it's an internal user portal or if it's a public user, their settings such as administrator settings or only managing the documents or all documents, and in other instances if it's a user, if it has user permissions or administrator permissions. So once we've selected all of the configurations for this user and all the permissions that this user will be having, as well as their preferences, we can go ahead and copy their email address, go back to settings, and invite the user. After that, we'll go back to managing users, and once they've confirmed and they have followed the steps on the email that they will be receiving to sign in for their new user, their status here will be changed to confirmed. So in the case of Sally, for example, who's already followed all the steps and is officially a user, you have the option to also help them and send them a password reset instructions link. This is going to help them reset their password and they can log back in. You also have the possibility of sending that invitation link that we sent through their user profile by clicking send an invitation email, and you can also create them as an employee. And that's it. That's how you can create and manage users in Odoo. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to watch the rest of our Odoo tutorials. Bye!